Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to add a search icon to WordPress Blocksy. Okay, so let's say we have our Blocksy site here, our starter site. We have our logo, our menu, our account, and our cart, but we don't have a search icon. How would we be able to let our users find stuff on our site easily by using search terms? Let's go ahead and click on Customize to open the WordPress customizer, and let's go from there. Now it's real simple. We have our customizer loaded up here. We have our left sidebar here. Let's click on header, and you can see we have a bunch of widgets that we can, well, elements as it's called here. And if we scroll far enough, we'll find search. Let's drag and drop that over here, and you can see we now have a search icon. Let's click on this element here, and we can change the icon to be whatever we want, or we can upload our own icon depending on whether or not we have a certain style guideline that we're using. You can also change the icon. Let's make it big, and let's make it visible on the whole thing, and we can put it on the right. There we go. And we can customize it however we want. We can turn on live results, so we can click on search, or all right, let's search through. We can change our criteria to be posts and products and pages, so we'll just select all of those. And for our design, we can make this really bright, and then we can put let's make this a bit darker, or a bit brighter, a different color that's contrasting, hopefully. Here we go. And our icon color can be, let's reload our site, can be blue. Oh no, because this is a transparent state. Again, my bad. Let's go ahead and make it blue here. Bright blue, just so we can, cyan. There we go, just so we can see it. And we can also put a margin on it, and we can also have our search results and stuff. Let's say power bank, right? And then we can change up our live search results and stuff, and we can change the color on desktop or mobile, but we don't have it enabled on mobile. We can also change our margin. Let's make it linked 20. Let's put it to 0. See how that looks like? You see it pushes it off to the side. Let's put this back. Let's put it 35, just so it's off a bit, offset a bit, I should say. So now we have a search icon, and it has a little label. We're happy. I think I'm happy with that. Let's hit publish to save our changes. Let's reload our site to see the changes. And we now have a search icon on our WordPress Blocksy site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.